How to set up your account in Adobe Audition. If you are willing to create a new account in Adobe, then follow these instructions. First, open up any browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in Adobe Audition. After that, scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. Now here on the top right corner, you'll see the sign in option. Click on sign in. After that, it will lead you to this login page, and if you have already created an account and want to log in to it, then simply type in your email address on this field and click on continue. Or if you have logged in with your Google, Facebook or Apple ID, then click on this respective buttons here. Now to create an account, click on this create an account option. After that, you can either sign up with your email by typing your credentials on this field, or you can directly create an account using your Google account, Facebook account, Apple ID account, Microsoft account, your Line account or Kakao account. Now here I'm using my email address, so if you want to use your email address, then type in your email on this field here. After that, type in your password on this field. You can also use strong password that is recommended by Google. Now click on continue. Now type in your first name, last name and your date of birth in this field. After that, simply click on this create account option. Following the simple and easy step, you can now easily create an account in Adobe Audition. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.